Well, first of all, I think it's important to have some criteria that go beyond really, and that set the framework for doing different assessments. So that's a start. Then at the same time, provided that we're talking about innovation, of course, it's still necessary. Both foundational research and excellent research is the necessary framework. So it shouldn't be excluded, but you need to add more to balance the view, I think. And you could also gain, or at least you should remember that you could gain excellent innovation and true impact on society by maybe also research that are not necessarily deemed excellent. So you risk losing out on some aspects and some brilliant innovation if you only go for the very limited. So criteria is important. And then the actual assessment, I think, is also very important, that you have actually that knowledge. You can't do proper innovation assessment only by looking at the research quality. You need that impact and you need the societal aspect to be able to really assess that aspect as well. So it goes hand in hand, I think.